Ka Sorkar jela kelap Bthah ya ketenat Pulit bagi Kiba distrik banle da ke Tyngeh persya ya breu banyak klem akor da ke Thuk dan ki asyaka habaro ke wei ke jela. Kene kala hukum kala mi hadin bakawai kalong kemi na maulai kanton masar kala klat na gajingsya tenra ha ke Thuk ha ke sinengkong ha maulai maudat baki katba kadang wan pai na la ka kam banle shailayeng. Habang penbenaya kene usembut menteri rangba kejela buat Presto tensong bakmiru ya ketenat kampo yang wala ong bakala long ke ek bas ngosi haba yo I bakum kine jingjia aksiden kila jia janman kesngi kumta ka Sorkar kala Bthah yo Director General of Police kejela bana keliang UDGP ru ula Bthah iki Police nadu Superintendent of Police bat ki Police Traffic pakin le de bating persya kino ki banyak kali klam akor la kadai ke banyak asyaka ne kali Ubat Presto nulaong pagatnat Polis kala Ñiah ru bante lakam ni kajing pendai ketang sawa biain haki asyaka namar kineru kilong kijingwit pat kibala ru banwan ra jingma ya kinong yai nong yeng Ulaong baka Sorkar kamla sya ya kajing Ñiah kali klem akor bat day namar kane lapta ya ketenat Polis bat Kiba distrik pan pensitom katkum kikindon ain persya ya kino ki banyak klem akor.
Yes, it's very unfortunate. I think I have seen this tragic incidents happen almost every day. So the instruction has been given to DGP, and DGP has done it to download. Be it the traffic police or be it the district administration or be it the SPs, whoever, that any reckless drive, two-wheelers or four-wheelers, has to be handled very, very seriously and to make sure also that everybody are safe. Because right now, see, like those silencer which they fitted, the sound of the silencer itself is just like a blast. So what happened? We have already taken action. Those people who did it, who fitted those kind of silencer, because we don't want to disturb anybody, and we continue to do that. Same way, those reckless driving, we will not tolerate, and we'll make sure that they are booked. They are booked and penalized as well.